Welcome to Quiz for NHS. Thank you so much for joining on a Saturday night. It's now 8:07 and I'm delighted that you're all here with me. So, in the charades round, these are going to be films. And you will get 2 points per question. You get 1 point for the film and 1 point for the year the film originally came out. And just so it's a bit more fair, I'm going to give you 2 years either side. So imagine the film came out in 2018, I would give you 2016 to 2020. So plus or minus 2 years, just to make it reasonable. So Jack and Marge, are you ready? So here are the 5 charades. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the question up and then move to big screen between each one. So question 1 is, identify the film and the year it was released. So let's have a look. Okay, so you need a big screen. So are we ready for charades? I'm excited for charades. It's a time for me to show off my horrendous acting skills. And again, it's my charades. I'm going to speak a bit, just to make things a bit easier. Okay? Speak. Okay, so charades. So film 1, you have to guess the film and the original version. So sometimes there might be multiple, imagine your Star Wars, there'll be multiple versions of it. So I want the first release and the year of the first release, okay? So here we go, film number 1. That was apparently film number 1 of this. So what year and what film? So you get 2 years either side. 2 years either side. What year and what film? Okay, film number 2 requires me to actually get a bit of props. So film number 2 is one of my favourite films. There's been a couple of, I think there's been a remake of it fairly recently. So I want the year of the original version of the film and the film. Imagine I'm getting the chair out of the bag. So that was identify the film, original one, and the year of the film. So that was question number 2. So question number 3, if anyone watches Gogglebox, which I do, I actually saw this film reviewed on Gogglebox last week. So that was a hint. So question number 3 is coming up. Okay, I haven't rehearsed this, but let's have a think. Top of the world! That's all you're getting. The year of the film and the film. Okay, that was question number 3. So question number 4, it's one of my top 5 films of all time. So what year was this film from? The original and the name of the film. So, question number 2. Again, I'm going to speak for this. It's my charades. Please, sir, can I have some more? More? Please, sir, can I have some more? Moo! That is question number 4. The film and the original year. Film and the original year. That is question number 4. So question number 5, I want the film and the year. I don't think there's been a second version of this. Okay. Feel the rhythm. Feel the rhyme. Ba-ba-dum. It's bobsleigh time. Sanka, you dead, man. No. So repeat that. Feel the rhythm. Feel the rhyme. There's bobsleigh time. Sanka, you're dead, man. No. So that was question number 5. And if there are any casting directors looking for young actors, don't come my way, please. So they are acting. Despite the fact that Hannah Walmsley says that I should get an Oscar for Best Actor. Thank you. I appreciate you trying to boost my confidence, but I know where the limit of my acting talent lies. Okay, so here are the answers. Here are the answers. Let me know your scores. Okay, let's have a look. This is where you're going to mock me now. There we go. So question 1 was, that was Jurassic Park. Jurassic Park. Question 2 is Mary Poppins. Remember, you get the marks 2 years either side. So if you get 91 to 95, 60 to 62 to 66, so 2 years either side, you get a mark. Titanic. Yeah, I was doing the Titanic scene. I didn't really want to do the paint me like one of your, or draw me like one of your French girls. That would not have been appropriate. And that was Oliver. I'm sorry, there's a spoiler for Cool Runnings. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Quiz for NHS. So again, we are here to support the NHS, so feel free, if you're enjoying the quiz, go to justgiving.com/quiz for NHS.